it's Jim again, here to talk to you about doing advanced filters in Fluxx. Now, hopefully you've already went through the basic filters at this point, so you got a general idea what to do there. So I'm going to build off that. Okay, so let's say you have a card over here. We'll use this applications card as an example, and it can be on any card. And you want to filter your data in that particular card a different way. So let's click on the three dots like you would for a regular filter and select the filter action. And then you saw basic filters was here, and they're all defaulted and set up for you. Now you can select advanced filters. Then this screen comes up. This lets you sort by any field you want. So go to the blue box here, hit the little plus, and it'll say add a condition. Now these are all the fields in Fluxx here. Okay, so as you look at these, some are intuitive, some not as intuitive. And I'll tell you a trick on how to figure these out in a minute. Okay. But let's, for the sake of this, make it simple. We'll select amount recommended. That's a simple one. And let's say for the expression, you can do less than, greater than, whatever. So let's do less than a value of $500,000. So it's basically going to sort that card by applications that were less than $500,000. You select create condition, you select save, and boom, now you have one record. Before we had 20-something records, now we're down to one. This is really helpful when you're looking at formula grants and you want to see under a certain amount, and there's 250 something of them, more than 254, or maybe 254, one for every county. Anyway, that'll help you sort that list down how you need to. Now, if you want to get rid of that filter on the card, you can just delete the card and then start a new one, or you can go back here and go to filter. You'll see the filter stuff appears in the box. Okay, you can do clear all, wipes them out, hit save. Thinking. Well, now your card's back. You got all 20 records. So that's the basics for doing an advanced filter. The next lesson will be about cross-card filters. If the data you need is on multiple cards and you need to search it. I'll show you that next. That's a little more involved. But let me give you the trick now how to find out field names. So for application, you go to your card. When the card comes up, if you mouse over any of these questions, it'll tell you the backend field name. So for like the backend field name for what type of grant you're applying for is this proposed underscore grant underscore type. And you can do this over anything. It'll give you the field name. So this is the field name, that project underscore title. That's what will come up on that field list. You can go anywhere on the info for that card and click on a question to determine the field name, like objectives on the application. Pretty explanatory. The backend field name is objectives. Amount requested, things like that. Some are really intuitive, some not as much. And then you'll have to come here and look at the backend field name. There's also a list and reports of it, but I find this way much easier. So this is what I recommend. I hope that helps. Talk to you soon.